Welcome to this week's news episode. Some personal news on my car. I'm still waiting for a replacement amplifier. It's been over a month now, and I've rung in for an update and they're still saying October, so I'm still waiting. Another little thing I found out is that the advanced driving assist sounds and also the reverse beeps have disappeared along with the amplifier. So they must be routed for the amplifier and the back speakers or something weird's going on with it. And other people have also reported this, so just make a note of that. You'll miss them. For example, if I'm back up now, you won't hear it beeping. You'll see the graphics, but no beeps. No beep 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 beep. It'll do the haptic on the steering wheel, but that's all you get, so just be aware. Next news item. Someone in the comments to the last news video asked about wheel alignment issues on the EV6. I hadn't heard of any, but I have found this document from Kia on the specs, so I'll put a link to that in the show notes in the description, along with all the other links. The Kia UK website's been updated with more images of the GT model, but I think they're pulling it all in from the European site, and so there's a bit of confusion. You've got examples of the grey, which we can't get, and also the sunroof, which we can't get, and also the red colour, which we can't get. If you have a look around the website, there's a 3D viewer, and that's only offering white or black colours. Also, if you go into the detailed product specification, you'll still find the blue, white and black are available. So I don't know which is true, whether the blue is really there or not. Go figure. When I was researching my videos on how to disable the alarm last week, I contacted Kia, and they said there's a possibility of the Kia Connect team are working on window and sunroof features in the future, so a remote alarm deactivation may potentially tie in with that. So fingers crossed that comes out, that'd be useful. The Kia UK PR have put images of the EV9 in camouflage out on trials on the website, so I'll put a few images of those up. It doesn't look anywhere near as good as the concept, but they never do. Again, it's very, very square looking. I'm sure it'll look better when it's out of camouflage. Looking around the Kia UK website at the Niro, I see there's an offer for finance on the 3 different types, but it's strange that the Niro EV is at a higher interest rate. If you look down it, they're offering 6.9% on the Niro EV versus 4.9% on the hybrid and the plug-in hybrid. I thought this might be pricing in the cost of the car, but the plug-in hybrid's cost top level is about 39, whereas the Model 2 of the Niro EV is 36. So go figure. Does anybody know why that's the case? It seems a bit strange. I don't know if anyone of you've seen the Autogramm EV5 unofficial design concept car. I think it takes elements from the EV6, the new Niro EV and the EV9 and mixes them all up. It's quite interesting to look at. I'll put the link in the description if you fancy a look. Anyway, that's all I've got for now. Thanks for watching.